Today we will show you how to upload your files onto the portal. To upload files into your service-based flow conversations, first click into the flow. In that flow, your dedicated IFC team may have requested for the upload of files either by messaging in the main flow conversation, or as a step in the flow, which you can view by clicking onto that step. To upload files, first click on the three dots on the top right, then click on Files. Your dedicated IFC team would have already created folders for the information requested. Make sure to upload your information into the correct folders, and for any files that are not appropriate for the pre-named folders, upload them into the folder named Other. To upload your files, click on the relevant folder for your documents. Then press Add, then File, after which you can either drag and drop, browse through your device, or connect your external digital storage. Once you have selected your files, you can add a comment if needed. Lastly, press Add for the files to be uploaded. If information was requested through the main conversation, then send a message to let our team know. If it was requested through a step, then mark that step as completed for the flow to proceed. Please keep in mind that any files uploaded into a folder will also show up on the main conversation, but they are all maintained in the folder structure for ease of reference. If you cannot remember where you stored the file, in the main conversation, click Show in Folder, and will take you to the file's location.